So as you all can see, we are making fruit custard today. So it's a very popular dish during Ramzan or any other occasion whenever you like, since it has a lot of fruits. Even it's really good and fun for kids. You can add as many fruits as you like, and it is all your choice. Use the seasonal fruits, no need to buy anything extraordinary. Use the seasonal ones, they are the best actually. So we are going to start by taking almost half a liter of milk. We are just going to take it to a light boil, and then we are going to add the custard powder to it. So now in a bowl, take a little bit of milk, like this might be about 1/4 cup of a milk, and we are going to add custard powder. You can use any brand that you like. Try to find the veg one. I prefer that one. It is much more easy for everyone to consume. So we are going to take 4 tablespoons of custard powder here, and then we have to mix it up. Now I'm taking 4 tablespoons because I really want a nice pudding kind of consistency for my custard. But if you prefer a bit liquidy consistency, you can reduce the tablespoon. You can go for 2.5 or 3 tablespoon. So you can adjust that according to your preference, or you can increase the milk quantity that way. So just mix it all up, the milk and powder. This powder should mix up very well so that there are no lumps in your custard base. So when you pour this on the milk, there will be no lumps in your custard, and it will be nice, silky, smooth. So as you can see, the milk is nice and warm now. So we are going to add this custard batter that we have prepared, this liquid we have prepared, and we are going to mix it up well with the rest of the milk so that it is evenly spread in the milk and cooks evenly. That is really important, that you cook it up well, because there is cornstarch in it, and you don't want that raw flavor of cornstarch in your custard. So you make sure you cook it really well, and I'll show you how to know that it is well cooked. So as you can see that the liquid, the milk is getting thicker, and it will stick to my spatula. As you can see, like this, you can see a little thin layer of the liquid milk on the spatula. That means it is getting right on the consistency, it is getting thicker, and you can switch off the heat at this stage. Or if you want to make it more thick, you can still cook it further, but if you want a liquid consistency, you can stop it right away here and take it off the heat. But I want a pudding kind of a thing, so I'm going to cook it up a little bit extra so that it thickens up nicely and I can layer my fruits easily on it. Now take it off the heat, and you can let it cool a bit in the pan itself before transferring it on whatever you want to serve it in glass or in a bowl, however you like it. I'm going to use a tray to serve it since I want to decorate it with all the fruits. So you can see it is nice and thick now, like it is nice and glossy as well. So it's going to look really beautiful and perfect in consistency. This shine shows that your custard is going to be perfect. So now after 5 minutes, we are going to transfer it into this glass mold. So I'm going to use this baking tray, and I'm going to put the entire custard in it and let it cool down. Now before you refrigerate it, make sure that it is completely cool, so that the water condensation is not happening when you put it in the refrigerator. Make sure you cool it out completely and then only put it in the fridge. So now I'll show you the fruits that I'm planning to put: some pomegranates, pineapples, black grapes, apples, some green grapes, bananas, obviously, since they are from our garden, we always have them in the hand, some mangoes from our garden as well. And these are the fruits that I'm planning to put on it, and we'll see how it goes. So here is my custard pudding ready. As you can see, it's nice set like jelly, so kind of a soft, but it has nice layers. So I'm going to make a rainbow kind of a thing with the fruits on it. So make sure you watch the final product, how I make it. And if you have watched it so far, please make sure that you drop your comment, you like it, you share it with your friends, and obviously subscribe to my channel. Please ask your friends and relatives also to subscribe. It will help my little channel grow really nice, and it will show me how you all support me. And I hope your Ramzan is also going really nice and happy with your family. Looking at the COVID situation, I would really ask everyone to be safe and careful and look after your loved ones, elders, and take care of everyone in the family. That's all I wish for you all. And let me know how you find this recipe and comment below. Don't miss on the comments. So after first layer, I got the idea of how many fruits and how to line them up, and now I'm just going to fill it all up so that the tray is completely filled with the fruits, because we all love fruits in the custard, right? And that's the main element, like fruitiness of the custard. So all these fruits are very much in season, and I have not taken any fruits that are like really expensive in this. So custard is one dessert which you can make really at low budget as well. At any on an even on a very short notice you can make this. That's why it's one of my favorite desserts to prepare, and everyone loves it in the family. So why not?